students, welcome to the new part of the video. In yesterday's video we have already seen what is about AP and AP के कुछ problems हम लोग already solve कर चुके हैं. So let us see few more questions about AP. So you will have all variety of questions over here. Let's start with the question. The question is, if 8th term of an AP is 31 and 15th term is 16 more than 11th term, find first term. First term is nothing but the A. Common difference will be nothing but D and the AP, the series. AP is nothing but the series. Now, क्या दिया है question में 8th term कितनी दी है 31 and it is told in the question that 15th term is 16 more than the 11th term. 16 more than the 11th term. First of all, A8 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? यूज कौन सा फॉर्मूला करेंगे? an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. By using this formula, here n is nothing but 8. 8, if I write 8 in this, I will get a plus 8 minus 1, 7d. And I know a8 is nothing but 31. So can this be my equation number 1? This is my equation number 1. Now my second equation will be, it is 15th term is 16 more than 11th term, correct? 16 plus A11 को क्या मैं ऐसा लिख सकती हूँ? A plus 10D. Again putting in the same formula, this formula. And in place of A15, I can write down A plus 14D. A plus 14D, 15 minus 1 will give you 14. 14D. Now solve the equation. If I take this A and A will get cancelled out from both the side. This is 14D minus 10D is equals to 16. So here it comes out to be 4D is equals to 16 and the value for D comes out to be 16 upon 4 which is nothing but 4. तो D की कितनी वैल्यू आ गई? 4. And हमारे पास पहली इक्वेशन दी हुई है, क्या हम इधर से A की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं? A plus the value for D is 7 into 4 is equals to 31. So A is nothing but 31 minus 28. The value for A comes out to be 3. The value for A comes out to be 3. So this is the way where we got A मिल गया, D मिल गया, common difference मिल गया. AP लिखनी है. AP लिखनी है मतलब first term is 3. Second term will be A plus D. हमारी series कैसी होती है? A series is A plus D, A plus 2D. ऐसे लिखते हैं series को. Then the second term is A plus D. That is 3 plus 4 will give you 7. Now 7 plus 4 will give you 11. And so on. So this is nothing but the AP. Common difference comes out to be 4. First term comes out to be 3. So this is the way how we can formulate the things when some clues are given in the questions. The question given to us is, fourth term of an AP is 3 times the first term and the 7th term exceeds twice the third term by 1. So let's formulate the question first. Fourth term of an AP. Fourth term of an AP means A4 is equals to 3 times the first term, means 3A, correct? Fourth term is equals to 3A. Now I need to write this fourth term in the form of A and D. What I will write? A plus 3D is equals to 3A. A plus 3D is equals to 3A. Let this be equation number 1. Now the information given to us is 7th term exceeds. 7th term exceeds twice the third term. Twice the third term plus 1 by 1. So if you convert this into A and D form, you will get A plus 6D is equals to twice into A plus 2D plus 1. So A plus 6D is equals to 2A plus 4D plus 1. Now what can you do is, you can make the equation in the form of A and D. Take this A and D here, you will get 2A plus 4D plus 1 minus A minus 6D is equals to 0. 2A minus A will give you A, 4D minus 6D will give you minus 2D, plus 1 is equals to 0. You can write A minus 2D is equals to minus 1. That is your equation number 2. Equation number 2. Similarly, framing this equation, you will get, you take this 3A over here, you will get minus 3A and it will give you minus 2A plus 3D is equals to 0. This is your equation number 1. Now, by solving equation 1 and 2, you will get the values for A and D. Let's see how. Now, it is minus 2A plus 3D is equals to 0. This is my equation number 2. कुछ भी common नहीं है. So can I multiply this equation by 2? If I multiply 2, see what I will get. 2a minus 4d is equals to minus 2. Minus 2a plus 3d is equals to 0. Can we add both the equations? If we add 2 and 2a will get cancelled out. Minus 4d plus 3d will give you minus d. Here minus d minus minus will get cancelled out and the value for d comes out to be 2. d की वैल्यू 2 आ गई तो d की वैल्यू उठा करके किसी भी ये इक्वेशन में रखोगे तो a की वैल्यू निकल के आ जाएगी. लेट्स सपोज इसमें रखी minus 2a plus 3d is equals to 0. Minus 2a plus 3 into 2 will give you 6 is equals to 0. Minus 2a is equals to minus 6. Minus minus will get cancelled out. The a comes out to be 3. A comes out to be 3. So the value for d and a is known. If a and d is known, you can write the AP. The AP will be, first term is 3. Second term will be 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7 and so on. So this is the AP which will be formed after solving the given situations. Now the sum given is as sum of 4th term and the 8th term of an AP is 24 and sum of 6th term and 10th term is 34. Find A and D. Let's formulate the question first. Sum of 4th term and 8th term is how much? 24. Sum of 8th term and 4th term again we can write in the form of A and D. If A4 को लिख सकते हैं A plus 3D, A8 को लिख सकते हैं A plus 7D. ये कैसे लिखा? Again by using the formula AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here N is nothing but 4. 4 minus 1 will give you 3. 8 is 8 minus 1 will give you 7. Is equals to 24. Solving the equation A plus A will give you 2A plus 10D is equals to 24. Can we take 2 common from the equation? If we take 2 common, you will get A plus 5D is equals to 24. So A plus 5D is equals to 12. So this is our equation number 1. Once the equation number 1 is come, अभी आगे देखते हैं of an AP is 24 and sum of 6th term plus sum of 10th term is 34. Again solving by the same way. A6 को A plus 5D लिख सकते हैं. A10 को A plus 9D लिख सकते हैं. A plus A will give you 2A. 5D plus 9D will give you 14D is equals to 34. Again you can take 2 common from the equation. You will get A plus 7D is equals to 34. A plus 7D comes out to be 17. So this is equation number 2. Can we solve 1 and 2? Can we subtract 1 and 2? See A and A के constant same है. So A plus 5D is equals to 12. A plus 7D is equals to 17. Subtracting both the equation we will get minus 2D and 17 minus 12 will give you minus 5. Minus minus will cancel out. D comes out to be 5 by 2. D comes out to be 5 by 2. Now putting this value of D in any one of the equation you will get the value for A. So let's see. यहाँ पे put करते हैं A plus 5 into 5 by 2 is equals to 12. So you will get A plus 25 by 2 is equals to 12. So A is nothing but 12 minus 25 by 2 which gives you 24 minus 25 will give you minus 1 by 2 and the answer for A comes out to be minus half. Answer for A comes out to be minus half. Series बन क्या पूछा था? A and D पूछा था. So we have taken out A as half and D as minus 5 by 2. Question is which term of the AP 8, 14, 20 will be 72 more than 41st term? कौन सी term ऐसी होगी जो कि 41st term को exceed करेगी कितने से? 72 से. तो पहली बात हमको series दी हुई है. Series में से A निकाल सकते हैं, that will be 8 and D will be 14 minus 8 which is nothing but 6. So we have first term and common difference with us now this time. So will be which term means nth term, which term will be 72 more than the 41 term. 72 more than the 41 term. Again using the formula, which formula? an को लिख सकते हैं a plus n minus 1 into d. लिख सकते हैं. Substituting in an you will get a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 72 plus इसको a and d के टर्म्स में लिखेंगे तो क्या लिखेंगे? a plus 40d. A plus 40d. Now a and a will get cancelled out from both the sides. What you have is n minus 1 and you have the answer for d is 6. 72 plus 40 into 6. So n minus 1 into 6 is equals to 72 plus 240. And if you add 72 plus 240, you will get 312. That is n minus 1 into 6. So n minus 1 comes out to be 312 divided by 6, which will give you 52. n की वैल्यू निकालनी है क्योंकि हमको टर्म ही तो निकालनी है, तो n minus 1 हमारा 52 आया, so n will be 52 plus 1, that is nothing but 53. तो 53th term will be the term which will be 72, exceeds by 72 from A41. I hope it was a short question but little tricky. Now the question given to us is, if AM of AP is 1 upon n and AN is 1 by m, find AMN term. Let's see this question carefully here. AM कितना दिया है? 1 upon n, right? And in the second part it has given AN is equals to 1 upon m. Again, how can I write AM? AM को मैं A plus m minus 1 into d लिख सकती हूँ, is equals to 1 upon m. And similarly, AN को I can write A plus n minus 1 into d, which is nothing but 1 upon m. These are the two equations. हमको AMN पूछा है. AMN क्या हो सकता है? AMN को मैं ऐसा लिख सकती हूँ, A plus n minus mn minus 1 into d. Because जो ये टर्म पूछी होती है, that is nothing but the term minus 1. So इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हैं, but लेकिन उसके लिए A and D पता होना जरूरी है, तभी हम AMN टर्म निकाल सकते हैं. A और D हमको कहाँ से मिलेगा? ये दोनों इक्वेशन से मिलेगा. So how we can solve this? We can solve this simultaneously. Let's see how. A plus m minus 1 into d is equals to 1 upon n. दूसरा इक्वेशन है A plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 1 upon m. Can we subtract both the equation because coefficient of A and A are similar? Subtract करेंगे तो A and A कट जाएगा. This will be m minus 1 into d minus n minus 1 into d is equals to 1 upon n minus 1 upon m. Can we take d common from this? And if we take d common, you will get m minus 1 minus ब्रैकेट के अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे minus n plus 1 is equals to mn m minus n. It's very simple. It seems to be difficult, but it's very simple. 1 and 1 cancel हो जाएगा. d m minus n is equals to m minus n upon mn. कुछ कॉमन दिख रहा है? d निकालना है ना. m minus n upon mn. Can I take this m minus n in the denominator? If I take in the denominator, this numerator denominator get cancelled out, and the value for d comes out to be 1 upon mn. The value for d comes out to be 1 upon mn. d की वैल्यू आ गई, किसी भी एक इक्वेशन में उठा करके रख दो, a की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. Let's see इसमें रखी तो क्या मिलता है. a plus m minus 1 into 1 upon mn. In place of d I am writing 1 upon mn up is equals to 1 upon n. If I multiply inside, I will get a plus 1 up m into mn minus 1 upon mn is equals to 1 upon n. Can I cancel out 1 upon m, 1 upon m? So the equation will turn out to be a plus 1 upon n minus 1 upon mn is equals to 1 upon n. Can you see 1 upon n on both the side? We can cancel out 1 upon n, 1 upon n. So the value for a comes out to be, if I take minus 1 upon n that side, I will get a is also 1 upon mn. So 1 upon mn a की वैल्यू निकल के आई, 1 upon mn d की वैल्यू निकल के आई. a and d निकल आया है, इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो, you will get amn. Let's see. What we will do is amn is equals to, a is nothing but 1 upon mn plus mn minus 1 into 1 upon mn, because d का वैल्यू कितना आया था? 1 upon mn. So we have 1 upon mn plus mn upon mn minus 1 upon mn. This mn get cancelled out and comes out to be 1. 1 by mn minus 1 by mn will get cancelled out, and you will get the answer for amn as 1. amn as 1. So this was one of the important question, but it's very simple. If you go step by step, you can solve it very easily. I hope you must have understood it. The question given to us is, if 5 times the 5th term of an AP is 10 times the 10th term of an AP, then find the 15th term. Let's formulate the question first. 5 times the 5th term means 5 times the 5th term of an AP is 10 times the 10th term of an AP. फाइंड करने को क्या बोला है? 15th term. 15th term मतलब A15 फाइंड करने को बोला है. जो कंडीशन दी है पहले हम उसको सॉल्व करते हैं. 5 A5 को मैं A plus 4D लिख सकती हूँ in place of A and D. 10 A plus 9D. If I multiply this, I will get 5A plus 20D is equals to 10A plus 90D. 10A plus 90D. If I take this here, you will get 10A plus 90D minus 5A minus 20D equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now, if I will get 10A minus 5A will give you 5A plus 90 minus 20 will give you 70D is equals to 0. Can we take 5 common from the equation? If I take 5 common, I will get A plus 14D is equals to 0. And A plus 14D is equals to 0. 0 upon 5 is 0. So A plus 14D कितना आ रहा है? 0. A15 को मैं क्या ऐसा लिख सकती थी? A plus 14D. वही तो आ रहा है A plus 14D. So A plus 14D को मैं लिख सकती हूँ A15 is nothing but 0. So I can say my 15th term of the given AP will be 0. Will be 0. So I hope the formulation for the question must be clear. Question given to us is how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? So first 2-digit number जो कि 3 से divisible होता है that is 12. Then we have 15. Then we have 18 and so on. Last 2-digit number is 99 and 99 is divisible by 3. 99. So 12, 15, 18, 99. So this is a series which is an AP. Yes, it is an AP. 15 minus 12 करेंगे तो भी 3 आएगा. And 18 minus this will give you 3. This difference will also give you 3 and 3, 3 because it is a multiple of 3. So 3 ही आने वाला है. So the given series is an AP. If ये AP में है तो क्या मैं बोल सकती हूँ my A will be 12 and my common difference will be 15 minus 12 which is nothing but 3. Which is nothing but 3. A आ गया, D आ गया, हमको क्या पूछा है? How many digits? How many digits means n, where the last term is 99. So we have the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. This is nothing but 99. A is nothing but 12 plus n minus 1 into 3. Solve it, we will get 99 is equals to 12 plus 3n minus 3. 99 is equals to 12 minus 3 will give you 9 plus 3n. 99 minus 9 is equals to 3n. 3n can be written as 90 and the value for n comes out to be 90 by 3 which is nothing but 30. So how many terms we have which are divisible by 3 in the 2-digit number is 30 terms. We have 30 terms which are divisible by 3 in 2-digit numbers. I hope such type of questions must be clear. Now we will be moving ahead with the word problems and then the sum of n terms of series. So I hope up till here it must be clear what do you mean by arithmetic progressions and the number of sums which we have solved up till now. And in the further videos we will be seeing about the word problems in the AP related with the nth term of the series and then we will be starting with the sum of nth term of an AP. So let's move ahead and see. I hope till this the content must be clear to you all. Thank you and have a nice day. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.